Hello everyone guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Aero in the option in Gravity Out. So as if you want to activate Aero in the option Gravity Out, if you want to activate Peak at desktop, it's very easy. Firstly, click on Start, type here Windows key plus R key type, Windows key plus R key type here sysdm dot cpl. After click on OK, click on Advanced, click on Settings. Here option Enable Peak. So guys, if you want to active or enable, so check this box, click on Apply, click on OK. That is. Now you will see Peak desktop available. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to active Aero Peak in the option in Gravity Out. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe on my channel for latest update. Thank you for watching.